I am Pranali. I'll just start right away. And I work with Apni Shala Foundation as an SCL curriculum lead. And Apni Shala focuses on building social emotional competencies among individuals and ecosystems through its various initiatives. Today, I will be sharing some of the ideas, some of the practices and ideas we have been able to integrate in our curriculum and throughout our organization. So there are some practices which we'll be doing, and also I'll be sharing some ideas as to how, if we were to do mindfulness in our spaces, how can we do it, or what are some of the ways we can do it for ourselves, and at the same time do it with any other person who's there in contact with us. What I'll be doing right now is I'll be just sharing some. We'll be doing one practice at a time. So one mindfulness practice which we do from like younger grades to the older grades. So I'll start with that, and after each practice, we'll just have a discussion. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a practice which is called smell the flower and blow the candle. Okay, I'll just present it on the screen as well so that we're able to see how it goes. Yeah. So this is a practice which we do, and this we'll just do the practice as is, and then we'll have a discussion on it. So once we'll just sit in a very comfortable position. That comfortable position is your position. If you feel that you want to sit just upright and do the practice, you can do that. If you feel that you just want to just relax yourself and sit, then you can do that as well. And once we are ready, what we'll do is we'll just take 3 deep breaths in, and those 3 deep breaths could be on your own pace. So whenever you are breathing in, know that you are breathing in. Whenever you are breathing out, know that you are breathing out. Once we are just ready, we'll just, yeah. That was just for settling down. Now what we'll do is imagine as if in your right hand you have, if you want to just switch on your video and do it with me, that would be great. So imagine that uh, and in your right hand you have a very imaginary flower, okay, and on the left hand you are holding a candle, okay. And what we're going to do is once you are breathing in, imagine as if you're smelling a flower, and when you're breathing out, imagine as if you're blowing a candle. Yeah. Okay, so we'll start. I'll just say it out loud and we can do it together. Smell the flower, blow the candle. Smell the flower, blow the candle. And we'll do it in our own pace. As we are breathing in, smell the flower. As we are breathing out, blow the candle. We'll do it 3 more times. And whenever we feel ready, we can just come back. If we had closed our eyes, we can just open our eyes and we can just come back and share that you are here. So this was a practice which we do usually with our younger grades. So that is from first grade to the third grade. This is usually which we can do with these age groups. And as we were doing this practice, some people have already started sharing how they are feeling. Thank you for sharing. I would also invite other people to just share how they are feeling. So as you were doing the practice, what was happening in your body? What actually supported you to do all of it? Thank you so much. People are sharing that they felt soothing, they are feeling refreshing, they're also feeling fresh, they're also feeling relaxed. Okay. Very relaxed, felt calm, fresh. Thank you so much for sharing. Concentrated on what we were doing and it helped. Okay. Thank you everyone for sharing, and you can keep sharing as it is coming to you. This is a practice which we can, as I have already shared, we do with our first to third grade. And as students engage in this practice, it supports them to settle down and also calm down their body sensations. Most of the time when students are maybe just running or maybe they are talking a lot, what we can do is we can just ask them to just smell smell a flower and blow the candle. And that is how, and it also helps them bringing back the attention to what we are doing in the classroom. So that is what we have tried doing into our classrooms, and it has helped, and I wanted to share this with you. So this is one practice which we do at Apni Shala, where whatever they are doing, if anyhow we feel that there needs to be a stabilizer, this is what we do. And apart from that, we also use mindful playing into the classroom. So when we say mindful playing, we can see in this picture out here where students are playing with clay. Mindful playing is mostly when students are asked to play on their own, and then there needs no conversation between anybody. So you can see that students are there, everyone is doing their own thing, but they are not talking to any other person in the classroom. And the other thing which we do is grounding self. So what happens is, this is a simple practice which we do on the clap of, if I clap, on the sound of a clap, you just breathe in and breathe out. So that, so if we see, so it's like a routine, it needs some conditioning. So if you just set some ground rules into the classroom, then once I do a clap, students know that we have to breathe in and breathe out and get the attention back to us. So there needs no talking, no saying, okay, stay quiet, everything. We just clap, and then they know that they have to breathe in and breathe out. And at the same time, there are some storybooks which we use, and the storybooks link I'll be sharing at the end of the presentation. There are some set of storybooks which we can use with the students, so that we introduce mindfulness. We also share mindful ideas with the students, and with this particular first to third grade.